it's Megan with WTI, and sometimes when I'm looking for a nail polish color, I want something that is like my natural nails, but just a little touch better. So I've definitely found that now in this OPI Infinite Shine 2 nail lacquer in the shade It's a Girl. On days when I'm really pressed for time, I definitely can get away with just one coat of this polish. Even just one coat gives really beautiful shine and this really subtle color. But if I have time, I usually like to apply 2 coats of this polish. I think this color is gorgeous. It's this really soft, milky baby pink. Even with 2 coats, it's not completely opaque, but I actually like it this way. I feel like it kind of gives the look of a French manicure without all the maintenance and fuss of a French manicure. I love how feminine and classic this pink polish is and how it goes with everything. Although I think that this is a great polish to wear any time of the year, because of how light and fresh looking it is, I think it makes a great summer season color. This nail lacquer really improves the look of my nails and gives the perfect wash of natural color. And that's my point of view.